Hello guys, welcome to a new video on the Range Rover here. This is going to be a short video using the gap tool and to set and reset the automatic folding mirrors. Stay tuned. So the mirrors unfolded when I opened the door. See, when I close the door, nothing happens. Strange. So you can press this button here and hold it, and then you get a sound and it says interior light off. Okay, then you stop the engine, you get outside of the car, wait a few minutes, and after a few minutes you close the car, the mirrors close again, you open the car and they open automatically. Let's see if they do it again. Close, nothing happens. Open, nothing happens. So now we are pushing that button again and holding it. See what comes on the screen. Interior lighting automatically. Okay. Stop the engine. I'll wait a few minutes. I closed the doors and the mirrors went back. Now I'm going to open the doors and the mirror opens. Does it work now again? No. When you close the door, it stays open. Try again. Second time it does it. Very, very, very curious. Okay. We can assume it works now. So here we are going to use the gap tool to set off the annoying beeping when closing and opening the car. And also I found a lot of questions in forums and so on about the disappearing of folding of the mirrors. When people brought their car to the local garage and got it back, the mirrors didn't fold when closing the car. So that's why in the beginning of this video I showed the process to get it back. So you only have to push the button for the interior lights and the mirrors will fold again. And now back to the gap tool. To change the CCF file, I wanted to change that annoying beep when closing the doors and when unlocking the car. That beep tone I wanted to disappear again, And I wanted to check also if the mirrors flipped down when changing the gear to go backwards. So that I wanted to stop also. So the mirror dip in reverse is inactive, as you can see here. Bear with me here, I'm not used to all these menu items and I have to look for setting off that annoying beep when opening and closing the car. Arm, disarm the chirp, it is cold. We change it to disabled. And then click on upload changes. Then it goes to different stages of switching off and switching on the car and saving the files to the computer and so on. You just have to confirm now and then, and it will do all the rest by itself. It says upload failed, but that's not true. The upload always is right. I've seen this bug on YouTube with other people, so that's something this tool unworthy, and even though it cost that much, this shouldn't say that all the time. So after refreshing the CCF file, we have to reset the date and time here in the system. As you saw in the video, I also did reset the chirping noise when closing and opening the Range Rover. So that noise is gone and the mirrors fold again. So thank you all for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. It will help the algorithm. And if you didn't, please tell me why in the comments below. Find us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.